Entire business flow from inquiry to invoice.
Hello all, welcome to CyrusBiz Solutions. This is our dashboard. Basically, the business snapshot is visible here. And this is our quick access menu. We can have quick access from here. Okay, today I'm going to explain you the entire business process flow from inquiry to delivery, from inquiry, quotation, sales order, production order, issued to production, receipt from production, load, final invoice. This is the basic flow which we are going to show you. So first, in the pre-sales, this is an inquiry. Here, we record what is that are inquired for, what is the quantity that is required, and the first name, middle name, the gender, and the city, phone number, email address, and what is the source that we have got this inquiry from, and what is the first follow-up date that we should follow him up, and if demo is required or no, and who is the executive we are tagging this customer to. These are the basic inquiry details that we enter it. Okay. Later comes inquiry allocation. This will be executive wise, where executive can get pending inquiries. So whatever his pending inquiries are there will be shown up here. He can allocate it to the specific other executive if he is not available for the day or for any other reason. Then he can save the transaction. These inquiries will be allocated to these executives. After inquiry allocation, there is inquiry follow-up. In this, inquiries will be listed that are assigned to the specific executive. Here, we can also see the history of the follow-ups that has been done for the specific inquiry. And we can have, we can write next follow-up time, date, and what is the follow-up notes, and update this inquiries. After inquiry follow-up, there is inquiry status update. In the screen, we can update the status of the inquiry, like payment received, cancelled, quotation submitted, etc. There are reports for all the transactions that we have entered. Inquiry listing detailed report contains the products that have been inquired. And we can also do filterings in the reports. We can also rearrange in the reports. And inquiry listing report is a snapshot of all the inquiries that we have received, and it also contains status like payment received, closed, quotation submitted. We can also highlight cells through conditional formatting, like adding colors and etc. We can to send a quotation to the customer, pre-sales, then quotation. Here, we need to select the customer, the party, and we need to enter products, the quantity, and the rate, and we can send this quotation to the customer. We can also revise the quotations from the revised quotation screen. Here, we need to select the customer, then the quotation number, then fill item body. Then the previous quotation will be here. Then we can revise the quotation rates so that we will have a track of what is the quotation that we have given and what we have revised it. Then to record sales order, we need to go to transaction, sales, then sales order. Here we need to select the party, then the product, the quantity, and the rates will be fetched from the masters. If we want, we can change the rates also. Then we need to save the transaction. After recording sales orders, we need to check the stock is available to fulfill the orders in inventory and reorder report. In this, the stock available will be shown here in location wise. The product, the location, and other attributes. We can also do pivoting for this reorder report, and we will be able to see what is the product and the pending sales order quantity for the product, balance available with us in different locations, and the shortfall of quantity, and the pending purchase order which we have already given, and what is the final short quantity. So these quantity need to be manufactured. We can also see at what location the products are available. Now, as we know, what are the orders that need to be picked, packed, and shipped? We have created different users for dispatch team, production team, sales team, and billing team. So let me log into different users first and see how it will be or how orders will be processed. Now I'm going to log into the production team's users. The team will have rights only to the screens that we have given for the screens and reports. For the production team, production order will be given. To check the production orders, they need to go to transaction, production, and production orders. Here, the production order product and the quantity will be given. And the production team can issue the products to the production, and also they can record what are the receipts from the production. Like we can see the issued product, received product, and what is the quantity that is received, and what are the damaged quantity, and what is the charge rate. Here, the production team will not be able to see the party or client details. Let's log in with dispatch team's credentials. The dispatch team will only pick and pack, so they will only have access to the pick list screen. Here, the dispatch team will not be able to see the party details or the rates. Only the orders which have not been fulfilled will be seen here. They need to select the order number and fill SO details, and the order will be here. They need to pick and pack the materials and save it so that it will be transferred to the billing team. Now, let's log in with the billing team's credentials. The billing team can make the sale invoice from the items that have been packed. So once they save the transaction, their final invoice will be done.
Thank you. Please visit our website at www.cyrusbiz.com.